Today I will show you Micca M8C in ceiling and wall speaker review video. The Micca Media series of in-wall and in-ceiling speakers have been designed for optimal performance in a wide variety of home entertainment applications. From providing relaxed background music to a high-impact 7-channel home theater system. Built with high-quality components and rigorously tested design, Media series speakers deliver exceptional value and are well reviewed by owners and critics. Media series speakers are sold factory direct, a highly efficient business model that allow more of the cost to go into component quality and design tuning. Each speaker is built with high-grade drivers and crossovers. As a result, Micca Media series speakers are exceptionally well-performing as well as affordable. The M8C utilizes a classic two-way design in a coaxial form factor. It is well suited to a variety applications and mounting locations depending on need. In ceiling as background music or recreation room speakers. In ceiling or in wall as surround speakers in a home theater. Perfect integration between the tweeter and woofer is achieved through a 6 dB crossover network. Once installed and set up, the M8C projects a realistic sound stage with excellent resolution. Specifications: woofer, 8 inches mica polypropylene cone, butyl. Rubber surround tweeter, 1-inch pivoting silk dome, ferrofluid. Cooled crossover, 6 dB, octave. Frequency response, 40 Hz to 20 kHz. Impedance, 8 ohms. Sensitivity, 90 dB 1 width 1 m. Power handling, 100 watts each. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.